Worried about accidents? Don't worry, right now, Lingdu is actively recording your activities. Lingdu is the best value dashcam in Indonesia, with 2 cameras, boasting the highest resolution of 5K. You can adjust the settings to fit your needs. Moreover, you can also control Lingdu through voice commands.
Open recording.
While driving, Lingdu can record the traffic in your front and rear view. You can easily access and view the recorded footage using the Lingdu mobile app, which is available for download on the Play Store or App Store. The cameras and G sensor will automatically record during specific incidents and lock the video. Not only that, but Lingdu also features a 170-degree field of view, has a supercapacitor battery, and comes with an 18-month warranty. With Lingdu, you can record and have safe journeys.
Trapo, elevating your driving experience.